Hello world, this is Random Fix, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Topdon Phoenix Plus. I'm going to show you guys what's included, how to go ahead and activate the unit, and towards the end of the video I'm going to have an icon right up here so you guys can watch the actual review and we can try it out in the car. So stay tuned. Hello world, this is Random Fix, and in this box right here we have the Topdon Phoenix, and I'm so excited to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what's in the box, and later on I'll do a complete review. So let's check this out now. So inside that nice box we get a nice hard shell case. This case has a couple of features that I've never seen, including these locking cabinets. So you push these in like this and now the drawers open, and you get a lot of different cables in here. So you get a car charger, you get a battery clamp to car charger adapter, scan tool extension cable, some sort of adapters, which we'll figure out later on in our actual review what they're for, USB-C to USB, USB-A to USB, more adapters, looks like we got some legacy adapters here with some fuses that are included. We get the owner's manual for the Phoenix Plus, and we also go ahead and get the password letter. So this will have your serial number. So my unit is ending in 711, and you'll also get the activation code right below it. And we get a VCI, the vehicle communication interface, which is matched to the actual tablet, and this serial number should match the tablet itself. And it looks like that the USB-A is used here to maybe do feature updates. We'll find out what that's for down the line. And we get some additional legacy connectors right here, and these were used on older BMWs and Mercedes. And once the unit is on, we can see all you got to do is choose your language, choose your Wi-Fi network, hit OK, choose your time zone, agree to the terms, and check that out, guys. We have a United States support number here for Topdon. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can go ahead and just register. And once you sign into the account, all you have to do is go ahead and type in the serial number and the activation code on the password letter. Hit activate. And you're done. And once I'm activated, what I'm going to do is I like to go ahead and update the firmware on the unit first. So I'm going to go ahead and hit update. And you can see this is going pretty quick, so they have a good server. The update is successful. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the updates. So we have the battery tester, the Chrome update, the VIN scanner, ABS bleeding. All these updates are available with one click. Hit update. Go grab yourself a coffee and let all these updates occur. And in the next video, I'll continue with my review, and we'll actually get inside the vehicle and try out some of the different features of the scan tool here from Topdon, the Phoenix Plus. Hey everybody, if you guys enjoyed the video here on the Topdon Phoenix Plus, and you guys want to check out the remainder of the actual review, make sure you guys click on that little link at the end of this video and you guys can watch the entire review. Thank you so much. If the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up.